Well, good morning mga Kabarks. Welcome nga pala dito sa Jamaica, port ng Ocho Rios. This video was taken last February 25 this year, 2019. Anyways, ngayon ko lang uli nakapag-check ng videos. So, samahan nyo ako sa short walk around downtown ng Ocho Rios, mga Kabarks.
A few moments later.
Alam nyo ba na ang meaning ng Ocho Rios? Ang ocho rios ay Spanish word for 8 rivers. Yan. It's a town in parish of St. Anne on the north coast of Jamaica, just outside the city. Travelers and residents can visit Columbus Park, where Columbus supposedly first came on land, and see maritime artifacts and Spanish colonial buildings. And one more thing. The number one thing Jamaica known is for Mr. Legendary Bob Marley. Not only he is one of the people associated with reggae, he is the only Jamaican icon who has reached almost every corner in the world with his music. People who never spoke with a word of English know about. Anyways guys, thank you again for watching this video. And we'll do some more very soon. Bye mga Kabarks!